And just 2 minutes later, look at this. Another traffic. Right, 50 minutes left to Little America. Look at this line. I love it. This is one of my favorite parts in Wyoming. Rocky Mountains. And these rocks cover a little bit from side gusts, which you know are very, very high winds. Up to 80 miles per hour. So guys, arriving at Little America. Next time I will do the whole video about Little America. Should be a good one. And now I will see what's cooking around and gather all the information what I would want to film and what I could show to you. Alright, so arrived at Little America. It's the first time for me in here, and yeah, you should see the huge parking area. Alright, I need a rest break, so I'm going and we'll see what's cooking. Alright, so I did a 30-minute break and saw what's cooking in Little America. I thought it would be a little bit bigger, but anyways, it's a nice place for truckers, and yeah, I'll tell you more next time when I'll do a big video about it. It's around 7 p.m. arriving in Utah, and next stop is Salt Lake City to the company. Half hour left to destination, and here is 55 mile per hour road for trucks. For cars it's 65. Boy oh boy, these roads are very curvy. I wonder what will happen during the winter. Foggy mountains. Oh, it's written. Yeah, I saw one big moose hit. Of course dead on the shoulder. Sad to see that, but that's life. Alright guys, so I arrived at RLS Logistics. Apparently we have no night shift, so I have to wait till tomorrow. I saw we have a restroom. There is one there. Somewhere another something inside. I saw vending machines, and as you can see, probably this is overnight parking and plenty of space to maneuver. So hopefully they will unload me tomorrow very fast, and then I have to go to Reno, Nevada, back to Reno, not the SIP company. Alright, I don't have what to do now. I do just walk and make some steps. Alright. Good morning from this company. At night was heavily raining. Checked in, but they won't unload me until 1 p.m. Have to wait now. We don't have too many trailers, so I don't know what's the problem. Yeah, that's how it looks now. We'll sit here for 5 hours now. So good news, we unloaded me faster. Now it's 10:46 a.m. and now I'm on the road to Reno, Nevada. What a beautiful mountain. It's in fog. Closer look at that mountain. It's raining, but I see it should be clear after 20 minutes or so.
What a change here. Stop to rest a little bit.
Fueled up. I'm pretty close to Reno. 45 minutes it was from the pump, so now it's about 40 minutes. You know, fuel prices are going now up like crazy. I paid $6.25 for 1 gallon, but in California it's even expensive, so you have to expect something more than $7 now. So I thought it would be the best place here to fuel up and not to fuel in California. So this is one of my best favorite areas in Nevada. Alright. I can't miss it. I need to film it. Look at those mountains, what a beauty. All those shades. And you know, water formed those mountains. You see those paths? Nature is beautiful, really. I wish I could climb these. They look just amazing, but you know, in USA it's a problem with the truck, even bigger problem, because you just can't stop everywhere you want, and there are no trails, so how can you come climb those? Alright, so it's pretty late. I will go check where is Americold exactly, but I saw a roaming pack of coyotes. Not here probably, they went somewhere in neighborhoods, but yeah, I have to be careful. Good morning guys from Cold Co in Reno. So this is the area, and this is where I had to pull my truck. Damn, it's a tight spot, but managed to do it. No one's hit. Good. So Cold Co was pretty good company, leaving a good review. Here you can see new houses being built. This is one of my favorite towns in the whole USA, Verdi. I love these mountains. I love surroundings, pine trees, as you can see, very beautiful. Should be Truckee River somewhere, so I'll try to film it. Verdi from another angle. Yeah, baby. Alright, back in California. Hopefully we could see Truckee River. It's on the left. A little bit from here. But yeah, you have to climb mountains to see Truckee River. But it's right on the left. Oh, here you can see it. Here we go. What a beauty. Yeah. So past the bridge, and Truckee River is now on the right. What a beauty. Forest. I wonder if there's any stop and any trails here, so we could go up and film from above the sky. Back in inspection area. Alright, stopped to check my brakes. Brakes are working properly. We have a what's that? 6% grade. I will do it fine. Last time, as you saw, the runaway ram had one truck. Poor guy. I don't know what happened to him, but probably his brakes failed. Anyways, yeah, truckers, stay safe, drive safely, and check your brakes. Alright, so going to Salinas again. We'll have 2 pickups and then back to Chicago. Of course, it will take some time here. Enjoying good road, weather, and mountains.
Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.